The most effective way to treat and control dundruff is to use dundruff shampoo and scalp treatment S. According to the American Academy of Dermatology, this may seem like the most obvious step to take, but picking the right anti-dundruff can be tricky, especially if you don't know what to look for. Use an anti-dundruff shampoo that also nourishes your hair. Whatever anti-dundruff you use, always follow the instructions on the bottle to get the best results. 2. Moisturize your scalp. Having a dry scalp doesn't automatically mean you have a dundruff. However, it can worsen the flaking and itching because of a lack of moisture. According to the Cleveland Clinic website, using a gentle, non-medicated shampoo can help treat a dry scalp. You can also keep your scalp from drying out by drinking more water, quitting smoking, and adding more moisture to the air in your home. If you notice other symptoms like redness and scaling, see a dermatologist to get proper diagnosis and treatment. Get rid of excess oil. A dry scalp can worsen dundruff, but so can an oily scalp. Your scalp produces sebum, a natural oil designed by your body as a layer of protection. It keeps the scalp hydrated and your hair shiny, moisturized, but too much of anything is never good. The fungus Malassezia feeds on oil, so excess sebum can stimulate the overgrowth of the fungus. To keep your hair and scalp from becoming overly greasy, always rinse your hair thoroughly after shampooing to remove residue and product buildup. Schedule a scalp detox every 4 to 6 weeks to unclog your pores and wash away impurities. You can also minimize the use of heavy styling product to prevent residue buildup that can irritate your scalp. Try natural remedies. Aloe vera. Your kitchen, bathroom, or garden could just be the lab you need for putting together simple home remedies. For dundruff, they may require further research to prove their effectiveness, but here's some treatment you consider. Coconut oil has monolaurin, which has antibacterial and antifungal properties. According to a 2022 review article published in the International Journal of Trichology. So the next time you massage coconut oil through your hair, put some on your scalp as well. If you're experiencing itching and flaking, make sure to shampoo and rinse thoroughly afterward to remove any oil residue. Tea tree oil has antifungal, anti-inflammatory, and antioxidant properties, says a study in the Journals of Essential Oil Research. It's difficult to use on its own because it is volatile and sensitive to light, air, and temperature. A 2020 published in the journal Current Cosmetic Science showed that anti-dundruff shampoos with tree oil has the potential to address the dundruff problem. These simple tips, you can remove dundruff and keep the flakes from coming back. However, if you don't see or feel any improvement, consult a dermatologist to get to the root of the problem.